years. And you walking around going, everything's fine, everything's wonderful, and you pretend like everything's great. You don't talk about it with anybody. It's embarrassing. You don't want to tell everybody about your hardships. You don't want to burden people with your problems. So you just hold it in and you just kind of wait for something to actually explode. And so here I am trying to think of new ways to have an outlet. And so today I'm going to do something about it. So instead of feeling sorry for myself, I'm going to do something that really takes me out of my comfort zone and actually scares the hell out of me. I'm making a YouTube channel, my very first one today. All these wrinkles on my face and the gray hair that I'm covering up and years and life of experience that are showing up on my face, I'm going to use it to my advantage. Instead of walking around like carrying it like a bag of concrete, I'm going to use it like a badge of honor and call it my superpower. And hopefully I'll be able to use it to my advantage. After watching 100 videos to get up the nerve to come on here and do the YouTube video, and I mean hundreds of videos, and everybody saying, get out of your mind, make it simple, stop making this so hard, you're going to write down a million ideas, which I did every single time. I crunched ideas, and then I thought, no, nobody's going to want to listen to that, and I finally decided they're right. Just get on here, press play, get on here, talk about something, be authentic, tell your story. If nobody listens the first time, keep on going. Show up, be consistent. At least you're doing something about it. Don't play the victim card anymore. And guess what? People my age, 50 and above, are on here crushing it on YouTube. They're actually doing something right. I wish we would have been taught this and told this and built our confidence up, or at least myself, 20 years ago. No, I'm not tech savvy. No, I never have been. But who knew that you could actually put yourself out there, become vulnerable, and talk about your life experiences and talk about career choices and aging tips and what somebody I wish would have shared with me about skincare and career choices and financial management and budgeting tips and what happened to me and how I survived when my husband had a stroke and navigating the healthcare system and how I filled out the Social Security income application by myself without an attorney and we got approved, and how I had bariatric surgery and went to Mexico this year and to Tijuana, and how all my medical providers told me not to go there and why I chose to go there, and all the different life experiences that we have at our age. And everybody tells us what to do and how to do it. But then you have somebody real with real life experiences that shows up vulnerable and authentic, and on the opposite scope is able to actually and wants to come on here and learn new skills, and then be able to not only learn the skills but to come on here and also believe in themselves enough to feel like they can coach other people our age to believe in themselves enough to be able to get on here and do it for themselves. I mean, YouTube is such a great way to get started. And not only do you have the diversity, the background, reaching millions of people on here, which is actually kind of scary too at the same moment, but think of all the people that can get on here and comment. Yeah, that's kind of scary to think about, isn't it? But think about all the people that can get on here and comment and really diversify the conversations and things that I can learn from other people, the things that we can learn and build a community and just be able to share in our experiences is a fantastic way. Um, I have learned so much getting on here recently about AdSense and how to get monetized and SEOs and how to edit and what's free and all the tutorials and how to use Canva and how to use ebooks and digital marketing products and how to potentially be a coach in the future. And all sorts of exciting different streams of income that I never imagined could be a potential or a possibility for me, that I'm so excited about potentially putting into my future portfolio and resume. I hope this channel will help me gain confidence and be able to engage more with an audience, to be vulnerable, share my journey with my weight loss, healthy aging tips, healthy exercising, eating, career choices, reinventing myself, being a grandmother, different roles, and that I play now in a relationship with my husband, and how that has changed, budgeting, thriving and surviving after all the changes that we have gone through, and how to, I guess, come up with different streams of income when you literally look in your checking account and realize you're getting ready to retire in 10 years and you have no 401 and you have a holy shit moment. Well, as they said, I picked up my iPhone. I used that to create the video today. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to try to use CapCut or another free editing software to edit this video so it's not so cringy when I look back at it. And I'll go from there. So until then, I will see you soon. Thank you for tuning in.